Hi, my name is Matthew Green. I'm here at Cancun Dental Specialists, and I highly recommend their services. I found out about it through dental tourism. When I researched dental tourism, I found out you can come here and get dental work done for very affordable prices. Cancun Dental Specialists, they take good care of you. Very professional staff, very high technology. The facilities are great here, very friendly staff, very professional. I had no pain. They send a driver to come pick you up and take you to the facilities, and I've got more work done than I expected. It was very affordable, and they're very good. I highly recommend their services. On this trip, I got a root canal, post buildup, porcelain crown. I got a cleaning and 2 fillings, and an X-ray, and all of this for $1,030 USD, which is very, very good.
And what do you think about Dr. Gabato?
Very professional. Yes, very, very awesome. I highly recommend it to anybody and all my friends. And